After spending couple of hours at Delhi airport, we finally boarded our Go Air flight to Leh. The flight was scheduled to depart at 6:30 am and land at Leh at 7:45 am. The journey to Leh from Delhi is 1 hour 15 minutes. I would highly recommend you to take the window seat on the left side while flying from Delhi to Leh, because the view you get to enjoy is simply mind-blowing. Kushok Bakula Rinpoche Airport of Leh is home to one of India's key defense installations, so photography and video recording is prohibited here. Since COVID negative report not later than 72 hours was mandatory for passengers arriving at Leh, we both had done our RT-PCR test in KMC Hospital, Mangaluru, and got the negative report on the day before leaving for Leh. At Leh airport, we had to produce our COVID negative report and details regarding our hotel stay before leaving the airport. At the airport, we found out that here also there was a facility for getting COVID test done. So after landing at Leh, we headed towards our hotel, We had booked a room in the hostel for our first day stay.